Alright, let's try the wave chopper first. This boat right here. I upgraded it. Alright, so here's the inside part of the wave chopper. And what I did is I modified it. I added a 90 amp brushless ESC, and this is a brushless 3250 kV motor. And I had to find, if you look in here, that right there is a coupling that I believe goes from 5 millimeters to whatever size the original shaft was for the prop. And I will put that right here as a picture and a link in the description for that. So that's really, I just bought that. I bought the ESC and the motor, and then I just soldered longer wires to get the leads to come up through here. There's a little foam piece here holding the ESC up just to get it up where I wanted it. Original receiver, original servo. I did break the prop once, and this prop, to be honest, I don't even know. It might be very similar to the one that you could buy on it. I don't know any specs on it. I did buy a metal one, which I want to try. And again, I don't know the specs on this. I tried to look it up where I bought it on Amazon, and it didn't give me any pitch information. But as you can see, it definitely worked pretty well today. And I didn't even have it full blast. And I think it would be wicked awesome when it's really dead calm. This thing is going to work great. So I'm pretty happy with the turnout. And yeah, so if you ever want to upgrade, this setup seems to be working good. Let's see how this thing works. Oh, that broke. Nice. What?
I have sunglasses.
Yep. No, that's all right. It works. It's pretty fast with the upgraded. You want to try it, bud? Oh, it's not even full throttle. Here. Careful, don't drop it. I know, there's fish everywhere. You don't want to do it no more? Okay.
Dad, we love that.
It works. Doesn't turn very good. It's so windy. Why isn't it keeping us? I guess it's doing it right. That's like half throttle. You all right, bud? Woo! What, bud? Yeah, we'll try them. We're gonna try the jet boat next. Careful, Renner, Scarlett. You got Papa fishing over there. You gotta keep it on this side of the boat.
I did it on full speed.
Well, that's technically half speed because I changed the throttle. It's too fast. It'll move. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Dad, are you putting that on YouTube?
Eventually. Isn't it fun?
Daddy, I'm doing it.
Okay. Okay, bring it back here and let Scarlett try it.
Daddy!
What? What do you want, bud? That one we'll do later. I'm gonna do the jet boat next.